Good morning, Monday 28th of March. Today I'm studying for a Swedish exam. This is a different kind of uncomfortable zone for me. I'm studying almost the entire day. I have one class at noon, and before and after that I will study. It's currently 9 in the morning. I really need to pass this test to graduate from my school. Staying hard ain't only about physical and sports, it's about every aspect of your life. Okay, it's 12:20. Started my run to the swimming hole. It's really cold out here. It's sunny, but it's cold as damn. But man's gotta do what man's gotta do. I'm having really busy day otherwise. I need to study the whole day for my Swedish exam that I'll have tomorrow. So let's start grinding. Kilometers, 30 minutes, zone 2 run. Next up, gym. Okay, gym and swim done. I did 3 combat movements in the gym: front squat, pull-ups and dips, and I think that's plenty for me because those are big movements, work the whole body. And then I swam for 2,500 meters, took me an hour. Now I'm walking to the store to buy this week's food. And then I'm going home to study Swedish for the rest of the day.
The next day.
Okay, I'm now going to the Swedish exam. I have studied quite hard. I'm excited. It starts in 10 minutes. Let's do this. Okay, I did the test. It went quite well. It was good that I prepared with focus. I'm sure I'm getting through the exam. Yep, good feeling. Now, training for Ironman. All right, back on the grind. 30 minutes of zone 2 biking with a quick change to 50 minutes of zone 2 running. Boom, 2.7 kilometers in 50 minutes. Definitely feeling the brick workout in my calves.
The next day.
Thursday afternoon, 3 p.m. I'm going to a gym. Had a great day today at school. Got many things done. Now I can prepare for war with my mind. going to swim. Alright, swam 2,500 meters, did some pull-ups, dips, deadlift and back squat. Felt really nice. Now walking home to get some cycling in. Alright, got back home. 30 minutes of 30 minutes of zone 1 biking plus 100 cadence. Gonna callous my mind with this one. Happy weekend, Friday 1st of April. I'm gonna run 45 minutes in zone 2. Yeah, buddy! Alright, 7.5 kilometers, 45 minutes. Now I'm gonna start my weekend, well-deserved weekend for me. I'm gonna buy a few beers and enjoy. Ah. All right, 1 hour 30 minutes of zone 2 biking. Let's fucking go. Everybody comes to a point in their life where they want to quit. It's what you do in that moment that defines who the fuck you really are. 40 seconds left. Boom. That was battle with my mind, I must admit. Ooh. Okay, good morning. Today I'm going to take a happy Sunday run, 1 hour of zone 1, nice and easy. It's great weather, so yeah, let's go. Alright, so I'm keeping my heart rate at about 130. Nice and easy, just chilling, enjoying life. Alright, 1 hour, 9 kilometers. Nice easy run. Now I'm gonna go to the supermarket. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hasta luego.